Good morning. Today's assignment is text message analysis. Now, I'm sure almost all, if not all of you, text quite often. So today we're going to read some text messages, made up ones anyway, and we're going to analyze them. What we're doing is we are inferring. We've talked about this in school when we were in school so many years ago, that an inference is basically when you figure something out based on evidence. Okay, that's what it means to infer. It's like drawing conclusions. Okay, so if you came in and I was slamming stuff and not talking to anybody and grumbling and things like that, you would infer that I was angry about something, obviously. Okay, so we're going to make inferences today. So here's how you do it. You have three of these to do. I'm sorry, four of these to do, but we're going to do one of them kind of together first. So if you pay attention to this one, you'll have the answers for this one. Okay, so if we read these, we see that this is from Michelle. Michelle says, I forgot to give you your jacket back. I'll bring it to school tomorrow. Thanks for letting me borrow it. The other person, don't worry about it. I have more jackets. I'm just glad I had an extra one that you could borrow. Michelle, I know I shouldn't drink anything but water at lunch because I'm always spilling things. Thanks for helping me cover it up. The other person, no problem. I would want someone to do the same for me, and I can be quite clumsy. Okay. So the first question says, how did the two people in the conversation know each other? Now, it doesn't really say that, so we have to infer it. And I infer that they are friends and classmates. Okay. That's my inference. All right. Now, what is my evidence? The other friend let Michelle, help if I could type. Let me go back here and get rid of this. Sorry about that. The other friend let Michelle borrow a jacket. That is something friends do. In addition, they text each other and seem friendly. Why do I always put an E? Oh, goodness, I can't even see that. Okay, why do I always put an E when I type other? Get rid of that, okay? So it says cite evidence. Okay, I don't need you to actually use a quote or a citation or anything like that, but just pick out something from one of the answers to do it. Okay, what happened before this conversation took place? Well, I'm going to infer when I look down here, it says since she let her borrow a jacket and she really needed it, you would think maybe she's cold. But now down here it says I shouldn't drink anything but water at lunch because I'm always spilling things. Thanks for helping me cover it up. So we assume she spilled maybe some juice or some soda on her nice white sweater or shirt or something, and that the jacket covered it up. Okay, so I'm going to say that Michelle spilled something on her shirt at lunch, and her friend let her borrow a jacket so she would not be embarrassed. Something like that, okay? Except I can't spell. Oh my goodness gracious! I'm going to say it's that one. Okay. Cite evidence. Michelle says she is always spilling things. And it also says she thanks her friend for helping her cover it up. Okay, so there's my evidence. Let me go back here. What conclusion can you draw about one person in the conversation? Now, this is your choice. Okay, if you want to make it about Michelle, then draw a conclusion about Michelle based on what she said or she did. If you want to make it about the friend, you can make it about the friend. Okay, I'm going to make it about the friend. The other, and I'm going to say it's a girl, although it could be a boy too. The other girl is a great friend who does nice things for her friends when they need her. Okay. Now, what is my evidence? She lends Michelle the jacket and she makes it out like it is no big deal. Okay. So there you go. All right, that's kind of what you do for your analysis. All right, that's about all you need. Now, I started this at, we were about 5 minutes, 45 seconds in, and I was explaining a little bit. So it takes about, 3, 4, 5 minutes to do one of these. Okay, we just did one together. You have 3 more to do on your own. So it's take you about 15 minutes to do this assignment. Good luck with it. And that's how you do inferences and text message analysis. I hope you have fun that we're doing something a little bit different. See ya.